How to reset your Netflix password. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on tech and cryptos. If you forgot the password of your Netflix account, then let me show you the process of recovering and resetting it. Firstly, open up your web browser and search for netflix.com and then click on the sign in button that you see on the top right. If you're using the app of Netflix, this is the first page that you see once you open up the app. Now on the login box, you'll see an option of need help. You just need to click on this option. And now you can use either your email address or your text message or your phone number to reset your password. Choose your preferred option. If you're using your email address, type it in. If you're using your phone number, click on the text message option and then type in your phone number. Once you do, click on email me. Now a password reset link will be sent to the email address that you just entered. Make sure that this is the exact email address linked with your Netflix. If you use your phone number, a code will be sent to your phone number. You'll need to type in the code in the next screen. Once you open up your email, you can see the password reset link will be sent. Now you just need to click on reset password and you'll be directed to a new screen where you'll need to type and create a new password. Your password must be at least 6 characters long, and to make your password strong, include numbers, letters, and special characters. In the second box, you'll again need to re-enter the password to confirm it. Now, if you want to log out of all of the devices that you are logged into, you can check this box and then click on save. If you don't want that to happen, uncheck it and click on save, and your password of Netflix will be successfully changed. Now you just need to open up Netflix again, refresh your page, click on the sign in button again, and type in your email address and the new password that you created and log into your account. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure you comment down below. And I'll be back soon with more Netflix videos similar to this.